So we are going to start from drawing our center line, that is after masking the last, and we are going to be making the pattern you are seeing on your screen right now. So now you see this line here. We're not going to use this one, we're going to use this one here. It went through the toe at the top here, so we're going to mark where it is here. You see it, and then measure from that point. We are going to measure from that point to somewhere here, 2-inch measurement, 2 inch. So we measure 2 inch, and then take the drawing from that point. Watch what I'm going to be doing now. Take the drawing down like this, take it down like this, and then from here to here, you see, take it down to this point and then curve it. You curve it towards the back of the last. So come down like this, then curve it. You understand? So now let's curve it. So take it down towards the feather edge. So our line here, you can see this line here, our 3-inch measurement from the back here, 3 inch. You see the line here. So we're going to move away from the line a bit and then take it from there. So you bring it with a curve down to the feather edge. Bring it down with a curve. You see the curve here. So, and that is that. Now the next thing we are going to be doing is to take a measurement from here to here, 1.5 inch, 1.5 inch, 1.5 inch. So there is the measurement. So now I'm going to place my tape here, then through that measurement, and I'm going to take a line. So you can see what we have here. We are done with the drawing, so we are going to cut it out now. So after cutting out the pattern, remove the pattern from your last. Draw a straight line on your cardboard paper and then align the center line of your pattern on the straight line on the cardboard paper. After doing that, carefully paste the pattern completely on the cardboard paper. Make sure you avoid too much crease. Make some corrections if necessary. So down to the line here, we are going to add our toe strap here. So you add the toe strap, you add it. Let me measure the length it should be. So place my tape here, then check the length. I have about 3 inch, almost 3 inch. So put it here and then extend the line to that point. After that, the next thing we are going to do is to add our lasting allowance, and I'm going to be adding 1.5 inch as the elastic allowance, 1.5 inch, and then I'm going to bring down this line here. So I'm going to bring it down to the elastic allowance, and after doing that I'm going to take another measurement from here to here, 1.5 inch, 1.5 inch. Then I take a line from there and join it to this one. So with that we are almost done. The next thing I'm going to be doing now is to fold this from the line. I'm going to fold it from the line. So I'm going to add extra paper here so that we'll get the complete pattern. So I have done that. You see it? You see it? So we are now going to staple it. The reason for the staple is to make sure it is not moving while we are cutting. So let's cut the pattern into shape. So we are done cutting the pattern into shape. Remove the staple pin, and then we have the pattern ready. So now the pattern is ready. Mark the pattern facing. You see it? Mark the facing of the pattern. Very important. So we're going to try it out on the last to see how it looks, and this is what we have. You see it? So we're going to proceed to the insole. Let's move over to the insole. So this is the raw file we are going to be using. So for you to get this, you need a ready-made sole of this shape. Mark out the shape on your cardboard paper and then reduce the original size by 0.3, and you're going to have this. You understand that? So let's proceed. So we are going to mark out the shape on a cardboard paper. So after marking it out, let me cut it out so that I can be able to move it around. So we are going to be adding ½ inch round this shape, ½ inch. So I'm going to start from here, and like that I will go round, add ½ inch round. So make sure you take enough measurements, and after that join the whole thing together. So after that we are going to cut through the center one. We are going to cut a marking dot for it. So let's proceed. So I'm going to use my razor blade, create lines where I can be able to mark it out when we are going to use it. Just take your time. It is a gradual process. You don't have to rush it so that you don't make mistakes. So this is what we have arrived at. The next thing is to cut it into shape. So we have arrived at what we want, and this is size 4:1. Size 4:1. So write the size on it so that you don't make mistake. And whatever size you want to make, you can use the same process, the same step to create whatsoever size you wish to create or to make. So we are going to stop the video here, wait for the part 2, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comment section. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get update, because more videos are still coming. Have a nice day.